I want to break free.
Okay folks, this is one of our favourite park-ups. It's just outside Tywyn. That is Tywyn on the west coast, not Tywyn, up near Rhyl. This is Tywyn. It's in between Dog Light and Aberdyfi. It's a beautiful free park up here, and it's really quiet both day and night. You can actually, when the tide gets out, walk along the river behind us and get onto the beach. Let me just flip it around so you can see. As you can see, there's plenty of parking space down here. No one bothers you. Just remember to take your rubbish away with you and it will stay free. It's very popular for dog walkers. Okay, we'll try and get the drone up here and show you how close we are actually to the beach. Like I say, if you walk just down there where the car's parked near the sign, usually when the tide's out you can actually walk under the railway bridge to the beach. Okay, we'll try and get the drone up here and show you what we've got.